I might be addicted to Leatherman tools, but luckily I have the best of them all. The Leatherman Arc, Magna Cut straight edge blade, made in the USA, same free technology as always, like the P2 and P4. Pliers open up, but there's no tools inside, they're all on the outside. Scissors, same as the P2, but these tools are new. The bottle opener with the big flathead, the mini micro bit driver, the semi, I guess you could call all, with the wire stripper. Then on this side is the main show with the big bit driver, replaceable bits. Main reason I really wanted this tool, but there's also a lot more going for it with the free technology. Close one hand, open one hand, and this one actually has pocket clips available for either side, not just one.